Hello, and welcome back, everyone. This is a pre-Valentine's Day full face NYX tutorial, and I had to settle for a voiceover because, well, new equipment, it ain't all that it's cracked up to be, but I'm gonna get my audio right with my mics and all that. So these NYX products I actually have for a while, and I were collecting them to do this. So why not do a little pre-Valentine's look with some purples and some pinks? And we all know I love a warm crease, but every product that I'm using is NYX. I don't think I strayed away from it not one time. I mean, except for the glue, but go me. And on the side, I'm putting up the products that I'm using. And I didn't get all technical and pinpoint what color from the palette and this and that because y'all been rocking with Diva TV for a while. Y'all know I'm a minimalist. Now, on the other hand, y'all, yeah, YouTube changed some things, but we just gonna agree to keep on pushing, you know? And right here on this clip, I went in with a smoky color and I realized it made no sense because look at the crease. I went back with the deep eggplant purple. I was just overworking myself for no apparent reason, but nonetheless, I was having fun, doing my makeup and chilling. And this is my birthday month, actually 13181. This diva was born. So y'all, guess what? By the time y'all see this, I will be 37 years old. But I'm not mad at that, and I'm not one of these people where 30 is the new 20. 30 is the same old 30 is all on how you feel. And I must say, getting my health together this year and last year, I feel better than I've ever felt before. So not only that, I wanted to do something glittery that kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day because it is one of those holidays that, let me just be honest, I really do like, and I get good gifts, and I kind of like play it towards my birthday. I call it the triple up because Christmas is right there. My birthday is in January. Valentine's Day is in February. So I normally get the good goods, y'all. And he ain't cheap, so I ain't mad at that at all, y'all. But I'm enjoying my new camera and my new computer and all this other stuff thus far. And I'm wondering if Kevin's going to tell me that's your Valentine's Day, but he knows better not to play with me like that. Mama don't play that. But this NYX matte flat foundation, I have a full review on that. I will link up as well. I forgot that I really liked the foundation. I picked it up one time to do the review and that was it. And I have a bad habit of doing that. And that's something that I say I'm going to stop doing in 2018. I'm going to utilize products that I have, especially brands that's inclusive. And NYX or NYX, however you want to pronounce them, they are one of those brands. The matte but not flat foundation comes in almost 30 shades, and the foundation drops comes in, I want to say 32 shades. And like I said, at $8 a piece, if you had to mix them, you won't go wrong. And this matte but not flat powder, you can use that on a daily basis when you want to do a no foundation look. This skinny brush that I'm using for the first time. It's called a liner brush, and I'm used to an angle brush, and I must say I really liked it. Now, these ombre blushes, I thought they were so pretty, but what happened is I didn't like them on their own, so I mixed two together, Code Breaker and Sunset together, and I'm liking that little warm little look it's giving me to tie in the little Valentine's Day theme. And this lavender steel, it's like a blush slash highlighter. It's holographic. It's really, really pretty. And I was thinking African American women in these holographic colors, if they have the right undertones, that's a purple with a little bit of green in it. It really does work. And I just took the Synthetica one, which I love, by the way, and mixed that all the way in there. The Pin Up Tease mascara and the NYX lashes. And yes, NYX does make lashes. They're kind of thin, but I made them do what they do for the sake of this. And taking two different liners, soft brown and bloom, and filling in the lips. And I tried the lip primer. And as I'm doing this voiceover, it's been hours now, and that primer really does hold the lipstick on, especially your more satin lipsticks like that color right there in Hunk. And I just went back with the liquid lingerie in the middle, and to be honest, all those liquid lingerie colors look alike, so I don't even know which color this one is. just sharpening up the lip line a little bit more and getting my groove on. Actually, y'all know the copyright guards will get you, so I ain't want to be too deep because I ain't
Oh,
demonetized yet.